In front of us, we have fourth part of question number 1 of exercise 3.3. Find the value of x and y with the help of substitution method. Solve these equations. And we have given two equations. From first equation, we will get the value of y. From first, we get 0.3y equals to 0.2x. Y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x divided by 0.3. This is our third equation. Now put the value of y in second equation. Put value of y in second equation. The second equation is 0.4x plus 0.5 into this y here, 1.3 minus 0.2x divided by 0.3 equals to 2.3. Now we will solve the equation. This is 0.4x plus, when we multiply 0.5 in the bracket, we will get 0.5 multiply 1.3 is 0.65 minus, when we multiply 0.5 with 0.2 x, we will get 0.10 x divided by 0.3 equals to 2.3. Now take the LCM, that is 0.3. Now multiply this with 0.12x plus 0.65 minus 0.10x divided by 23. So take this here. Now 0.12x plus 0.65 minus 0.10x equals to, when we multiply this, we will get 0.69. Now minus this term, when we will subtract, we will get 0.02, and this time here this number will this side. When we minus 0.69 minus 0.65, we will get 0.04. Now x is 0.04 divided by 0.02, and the x value is 2. Now put this value of x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2 in equation 3. And third equation is y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2 x divided by 0.3. Now I am putting the value here, 1.3 minus 0.2 into 2 divided by 0.3, that is 1.3 minus 0.4 divided by 0.3. When we will subtract this, we will get 0.9. Now this is 0.3, and we will divide this number, we will get y is equal to 3. Hence x is equal to 2.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.